Welcome to Game 232. This is week number 4. So week number 4, we will look at Unit 3, Lesson 3-4, Practice Reverse Engineering and Modular Design. And there will be an assignment, which is that you have to complete 2D Pong game. So Lesson 3-4, so let's go to Lesson 3-4. So up until now, you finished this tennis for two game, and now we are going to look at how to create a 2D Pong game, okay, using what you already know from tennis for two. So lesson 3-4, practice reverse engineering and modular design. So this lesson covers how to utilize reverse engineering and modular design in game industry. Students will learn how to recreate a 2D Pong game by using what they already learned from Tennis for Two game and learning new game features. So let's go into this lesson. So we're going to use this concept of reverse engineering and modular design a lot in Game 232. So let's briefly go over that, and then we're going to look at how to recreate 2D Pong. So if you go to Game Design Basic, Reverse Engineering, and Modular Design, okay. So I explained like what reverse engineering is and best practice or reverse engineering in game design. So I want you to kind of go through this, okay. And then by watching this video, you will understand like what you really need to what you already know, okay, to create 2D Pong, and what you need to learn to create 2D Pong. Even though it's a class discussion, actually this is taken from other class, so you really don't have to write anything. But bottom line is, I want you to follow this and then try to think about how you are going to create this 2D Pong game using what you already know. Okay? And then once you go through this, okay, good stuff. So make sure you watch those, and then you can go to utilizing what we already know. So basically, we're going to do 2D Pong, but we are going to use what we already know from table tennis for two. So if you think about Pong game, is very similar to tennis for two. So we're going to kind of recreate tennis for two, and then actually adding new features. So here, adding new features, we're going to have more kind of interaction between ball and walls, and we're going to add like scoring system and that kind of thing. And then I prepared some simple way to add background music and game sound. Okay. And there's another thing like controlling game state and display is about the scoring system and replay system. So this week, I want you to create 2D Pong game, okay? And due is midnight Sunday, Sunday midnight. But yeah, let's try to keep that deadline. But if you really need a little more time, you can email me and ask for some time extension. All right, 2D Pong is a classic game, but I want you to learn a lot of new things, or the concept of reverse engineering and modular design using this game. Have fun, and if you have any question, email me.